Now coming to next type of antenna, that is lens antenna, right? In previous lectures we have seen three different types of antennas that are used at microwave frequencies, right? Those are horn antenna, slot antenna, followed by microstrip antenna, right? Now we have five different types of antennas that are used at your microwave frequencies. Those are slot antenna, horn antenna, microstrip antenna, lens antenna, and another one is parabolic antenna, right? Now let us see fourth antenna, that is lens antenna, which is used at microwave frequencies for transmission of radio waves, right? Now coming to lens antenna, right? Now in this particular antenna we will use lens, right? Now here lens antenna is nothing but antenna with lens. Lens antenna is nothing but antenna with lens. You are using lens here, either it may be conducting type or dielectric type, right? Now it is an lens antenna is nothing but antenna with lens, and that lens may be either it may be conducting type or it may be dielectric type, depending on the types of lens, right? You'll have next in after this I will say that depending on the types of lens, either you can use dielectric type lens or conducting type lens, right? Now here the lens antenna is nothing but antenna with lens, and that lens may be either dielectric type or conducting type, right? Now here lens is a parasitic element. Here lens is a parasitic element, and we have feed, right? Here lens is, if you see this structure, now this is the structure of lens antenna. This is nothing but lens, right? And here you will provide feed, right? Now here it is converting spherical wavefronts to planar wavefronts, right? Any antenna if you consider under this microwave frequencies, now that will convert spherical wavefronts to planar wavefronts, right? Now here lens is a parasitic element and we have antenna as feed, right? Here it is a parasitic element and we have antenna as feed, which is an active element, right? Now it converges spherical wavefronts to, if you see this, these are the spherical wavefronts. Now these spherical wavefronts are converted to planar wavefronts using this lens. That is the principle, right? And this lens is typically, and this type of antenna is typically thicker, heavier and more difficult to construct. This is the main disadvantage of the lens antenna because of its thickness and because of its heaviness, and another one is it is more difficult to construct, right? Now the main advantage of this lens antenna is it won't block any waves, right? The main advantage of the lens antenna is it doesn't have any blockage. It will allow all the rays, it doesn't have any blockage of the signals, right? Now that is the main advantage of the lens antenna over the different antennas that are used at your microwave frequencies. Now this is about the introduction of lens antenna. Lens antenna is nothing but a particular antenna with lens, right? Antenna, in that particular antenna we are using the lens, and that lens may be either it may be dielectric type or conducting type, right? Now lens antenna is an antenna which consists of EM lens with feed. If you see the structure, this is the structure of lens antenna, right? It consists of a lens with feed, right? Now this lens you won't provide any input, that's why it is an parasitic element, and this feed it is nothing but this feed, and we have antenna as a feed, which is an active element. This is a parasitic element because there is no feed to lens, and this you are providing the input, it is called active element, right? Now it converts spherical wavefronts to planar wavefronts, right? Now the main disadvantage of the lens antenna is it is difficult to construct. And its thickness is very high, and it is more difficult to construct. And the main advantage of the lens antenna over other antennas is it doesn't have any blockage of the signal, right? Now this is about the introduction of the lens antenna. Now let us see its principle, how it works, right? Now here we are providing feed, right? Now this is at your transmitter side and this is at your lens antenna at receiver side, right? Now here also it has feed and this is lens part, right? Now here it is feed. Now let us see its principle, right? Now here the feed is given, and here the spherical wavefronts are getting converted to planar wavefronts. At transmitter, the spherical wavefronts are getting converted to planar wavefront, and this is at your transmitter side, nothing but your transmitter lens, and this is at your receiver side, that's why receiver lens, right? Now at receiver side, what happens here is a planar. Now here the planar wavefronts are getting converted to spherical wavefronts. The planar wavefronts are getting converted to spherical wavefronts. Now this is about the principle of lens antenna, right? A transmitter side, you will have a transmitter lens. If you are using the lens antenna at transmitter side, and if you are using the lens antenna at receiver side, that is receiver lens. At transmitter side, it will convert the spherical wavefronts to planar wavefronts, and at receiver side it will convert the planar wavefronts to just reverse planar wavefront to same like your antenna. Antenna is nothing but it will convert electrical power to radio waves at transmitter side and radio waves to electrical power at receiver. In the same way, spherical to planar at transmitter and planar to spherical at your receiver. That is the main principle of the lens antenna, right? Now here the main advantage of the lens antenna is it won't block any signal. If you consider 5 different types of antenna, whatever we have seen till now, right? In that particular antenna there will be a blockage of the signals, but in this particular antenna there is no blockage. That's why the main advantage of this lens antenna is it won't block any signals, but it has disadvantages. Disadvantage of lens antenna is it is difficult to construct, and another one is it is thickness is high and it is large in size, right? Now because of that, those are the disadvantage. But the main if you go for advantages, the main advantage is there is no blockage of the signal. If you consider remaining 4 different types of antenna, in some or the other way there will be some blockage of the signal, but in this particular lens antenna there won't be any blockage of the signals, right? Now in this particular lens antenna, spherical wavefronts are getting converted to planar at your transmitter side and planar to spherical at your receiver side, right? Now you have this lens antenna is nothing but antenna with lens. Now you are not providing any feed to the lens, that's why it is called parasitic element, and antenna as a feed, which is nothing but your active element, right? Now this is about the lens antenna. Now let us see different types of lens antenna. As I have said, lens antenna is nothing but antenna with lens, and that lens may be either it may be conducting type or dielectric type, right? Now we have 2 different. Now coming to next one, that is types of lens antenna. Now we have 2 different types of lens antenna. One is conducting type lens and another one is dielectric type lens. You have 2 different types of lens antenna, right? Now we have 2 different types of lens antenna. One is conducting type lens and another one is dielectric type lens. Now let me draw its structure. First let me draw conducting lens. Now this is your feed. Now spherical is getting converted to planar. Same spherical is getting converted to planar. Same thing. Now this is at your transmitter side, right? At receiver it is opposite, right? Now this is about the conducting lens, right? Now what happens here is, here this is your conducting type lens. I am writing shortcut CTL, conducting type lens. This is your conducting type lens, right? Now what happens, this is your feed, right? Now feed will generate the signals, right? Now feed will generate the signals. Now that signal is having the velocity v, right? Now these signals are getting transferred to conducting type lens, right? Now what happens when signal from feed is passing through the material through this conducting type lens? Now signal gets accelerated. Now here v dash is greater than v, right? whatever the signals that are generated from this feed, now that has to travel through this conducting type lens, right? Now whatever the signal that are traveling to this conducting type lens, its velocity gets accelerated, right? Its velocity gets accelerated. Now hence the spherical wavefronts are getting converted to planar wavefronts. If you see dielectric type lens, now first let me draw its structure. I will draw here. Spherical to planar and spherical to planar, same thing, spherical to planar, spherical to planar, spherical to planar. This is at your transmitter side. If it is at your receiver side, planar to spherical, right? Now what happens here is feed will generate the signal, right? Now that signals are having the velocity v, right? Now whatever the signals that are generated from the feed, now when they are passing through this dielectric type lens, DTL stands for dielectric type lens. Now when these signals are getting traveling through this dielectric type lens, now what happens, its velocity gets decreased, right? Now after passing through this particular dielectric material, those signals are having the velocity v dash, right? Now here v is greater than v dash, right? V is greater than v dash, right? Now this is about, if you want to accelerate the signal's velocity, you can use conducting type lens. If you want to deaccelerate the signal velocity, you can use dielectric type lens, right? Now this is about the different types of lens antenna. One is conducting type lens and another one is dielectric type lens, right? Now whatever, if you want to accelerate the velocity of the signals that are generated from the feed, right, you have to use conducting type lens. If you want to deaccelerate the velocity of the signals that are generated from the feed, you can go for dielectric type lens. Either you can use conducting type or dielectric type, right? Now feed will generate the signals, right? Now feed will generate the signals. Now that signals has to pass through lens, right? Now initially it has a velocity v. After passing through conducting type lens, it has velocity v dash, right? Now v dash is greater than v. Here the signals gets accelerated. Whereas for your dielectric type, now feed will generate the signals, right? Now those signals are having the velocity v. After passing through dielectric type lens, those signals are having the velocity v dash, right? Now v is greater than v dash, right? Now the signals velocities are deaccelerated under dielectric type lens. Under conducting type lens, signal velocity is accelerated. Under dielectric type, signal velocity is deaccelerated, right? Now this is about the lens antenna. Now let us see the advantages, right? Let us see the advantages. What is the main advantage? No blockage, right? The main advantage of the lens antenna is no blockage due to feed and feed support. If you consider remaining types of antenna, there will be some blockage of the signals, but if you consider lens antenna, there won't be any blockage. All signals has to pass through lens. That's why there won't be any blockage of the signals, right? Now coming to next advantages, higher gain. It has higher gain compared to parabolic antenna. Parabolic we will see in next lecture, right? It has higher gain compared to parabolic antenna, right? Now more EM waves because of the no blockage. Now what happens, more EM waves can be transferred, right? More EM waves can be received, right? More EM wave, because there won't be any blockage, more EM waves can be received, right? Now these are the advantages. And one more advantages is for low noise applications, you can use this antenna. For low noise applications, it can be used, right? Now these are the advantages of lens antenna. One is there won't be any blockage of the signals. Now because of that no blockage, you can transfer more number, you can receive more number of EM waves, right? And another advantage is higher gain. If you compare with the gain of your parabolic antenna that we will see in next lecture, the gain of your lens antenna is greater than the gain of your parabolic antenna, right? Now how you will calculate gain? Gain is nothing but efficiency into directivity. Efficiency is nothing but radiated power by input power, right? Now this is maximum radiation intensity radiated by the antenna, ratio of maximum radiation intensity radiated by the antenna to the radiation intensity of isotropic antenna. We have seen in previous lectures, right? If you compare gain of your parabolic antenna with gain of your lens antenna, right? If you compare those two gains, and gain of your lens antenna is greater than the gain of your parabolic antenna, and for low noise applications this can be used, right? Now coming to disadvantages, it is costlier. The main disadvantages is it is costlier, as I have said, difficult to construct, and another one is heavy, right? Now these are the disadvantages of lens antenna, right? One is it is costlier, cost is very high, and it is difficult to construct, and another one is it is heavy in structure, right? Now these are the advantages and disadvantages of lens antenna. Coming to advantages, there won't be any blockage of the signals. Now because of that no blockage, you can receive more number of EM waves, right? Now the gain of your lens antenna is greater than the gain of your parabolic antenna, and this lens antenna can be used for low noise application. Those are the advantages. Now coming to disadvantages, it is difficult to construct, right? If you see for microstrip antenna, that is easily manufactured, easily fabricated on your printed board circuits, right? Now it is difficult to construct, and the cost required to construct for this lens antenna is very high, and this structure is heavy, right? Now these are the main disadvantages, but the main advantage of the lens antenna is there won't be any blockage of the signal, right? In next lecture we will see about parabolic antenna, right? Thank you.